Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the brake band from your chainsaw. I'll begin by removing the side cover from the chainsaw. Next, I'll remove the bar and the chain from the saw. Next, I need to remove the top handle and the chain brake cover. Now, before I do this, there's a spring inside that's under tension. I want to take the lock lever and push it to the locked position, and that will relieve most of the stress from the spring. Now I'll remove the screws. Now I'm going to remove the top cover, as it makes it easier to remove the handle. And I'll remove the handle. I'll use a small screwdriver to remove the metal bushing. And now remove the 3 screws that secure the cover. I'll carefully remove the cover. Like I said, we've removed most of the tension from the internal spring, but it is still under a small amount of tension. Now use a flat-bladed screwdriver to remove the spring. I insert the screwdriver between 2 of the spring's coils and pull it out of the housing. Now remove the brake linkage from the brake band. And now I can pull the band away from the housing. And that's how you can access and remove the brake band on your chainsaw.